Hello everyone. Today we will see 10 smart English words which we can use in our day-to-day conversation, which will make our conversation smart and standard. So let's get started. Number 1. Deplorable. Deplorable means completely unacceptable, deserving strong condemnation. Similar words: disgraceful, shameful. His rude behavior is completely deplorable. The inactivity of the government is deplorable, completely unacceptable. Number 2. Dilapidated. Dilapidated means decayed or deteriorated due to age or neglect, old and in a poor condition. A dilapidated house, a dilapidated car. Number 3. Nexus. Nexus means a connection or series of connections linking two or more things. Link or connection. A firm nexus has been established by the politicians and the ambitious bureaucrats. The nexus between the teachers and the students. He has a nexus with the criminals. Number 4. Catch-22. Catch-22 means a dilemma or difficult situation from which there is no escape because of mutual conflicting. I have been searching for a job, but I did not get because I don't have experience. But to get experience, I need a job. So this is a catch-22 situation, a difficult situation from which there is no escape. Number 5. Invincible. Too powerful to be defeated or overcome. He is the best. He is the powerful. He is invincible. Young athletes think of themselves as invincible. Number 6. In a fix. In a fix means in a difficult and embarrassing situation, in a dilemma. I was really in a fix when I missed my plane. I was in a fix when I was caught up in the traffic jam. Number 7. Stupendous. Extremely impressive. Similar words: brilliant, stunning, extraordinary. Dhoni is a man of stupendous energy and stamina. Number 8. Procrastination. The word procrastination means the action of delaying or postponing something. We have seen people talking too much and doing nothing. Procrastination. The first step to success is to avoid procrastination. Number 9. Ferocious. Savagely fierce, violent or cruel. A ferocious wild dog. She has got a ferocious temper. A ferocious battle. Number 10. Spectacular. Spectacular means beautiful in a dramatic and eye-catching way. Incredible, marvelous. This is a spectacular film. He scored a spectacular goal in the second half. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Thank you.